change the paint job. Can't afford that though. I should go get a loan though. I can change the paint job. That sounds like a reasonable idea. I wonder how that would go. So what do you need this money for? Oh, you know, thinking about getting my truck painted. You know, make it look all nice and fancy. Get out. No. I was declined. That would suck. This trip's like 369 miles. I'm gonna have to start looking at that before I start picking out which ones I want to go do. I'm gonna find myself doing like a 1,000-mile trip, and I'm gonna be like, I don't have time for the 1,000 miles, and I really don't like ending my game before I finish the trip I'm on, because then I'll be like, I'm confused. What am I doing? Why can't I select this? Where is this supposed to go? At least you got a GPS. Imagine playing this without that GPS. Remember where you were at. I'll be so lost. I'll be like, no, can't play this. Can I go? Hello, Ocean Eclipse. How are you doing? I am doing alright. Having to deliver something that is 356 miles away. I thought I would just go for the long hauls, you know, keep putting points into that, but now I'm kind of regretting that decision. I'm thinking I might should have gone with the high valuable stuff, but as much as I hit things, I'm pretty sure I would have gone into the negatives a long time ago if I did. What are you up to? Yeah, I'm going to be having to go soon. Probably after this trip. I know I think because I'm going to be heading back to my place of living. So. And then I'm busy, unfortunately, tomorrow. I got to go do something. So I won't be able to stream probably for tomorrow. Then after that, I'm going to be busy again, unfortunately. I won't be able to stream again. Which is upsetting. I'm actually enjoying it. At the same time, I like playing my game. It's a whole setup process. I'm not so used to that yet. Like, I thought I had the whole program thing set up, so it should show on my OBS when people say things. But it doesn't. It only shows up to me. So, yeah, you know. I don't know. It's just being a pain in the butt. Did you ever get a chance to look into that game, by the way? The name was Dungeon Defenders. On the road, on the road. Look at all those people on the other side of the road. This is a nice road. You can go like top speed. No chance of getting a ticket for it. It's great times. Let's go to London. This sounds fun, actually. I have to clean later, too. That's the second thing. I gotta clean later. Trying to get some streaming done so I can get some videos done so I can not feel bad tomorrow or the next day, at least. And then after I'm done doing that, I have to clean. I gotta vacuum, wipe down some stuff. Does it? I don't know. I was thinking about getting it. I don't know yet. Oh, I think I actually bought it. I can't remember. I don't know if I actually went through with it or not. But I was thinking it's like a multiplayer, so I might just get another copy. See if I can find someone to play it with me. Road again. I'm swerving. Swerving. You'll give me a ticket for it being drunk? It'd be horrible. More miles to go. I'm tired. I've been up all day. Which I guess is normal for most people, huh? Being up all day. I'm usually up at night. Not day. I'm not a day person. I'm a night person. So, how's Razzle's stream going? Last time I checked, he was on his way. I had it open, but I thought maybe I could watch it and play this, but that's not possible apparently, because I'll just crash. I know it. The last thing I know is like he said goodnight to Copper and everyone. Everybody stand down. That's good. Is he sleepy yet? Better be sleepy. Guy's been up for like ever. I miss the days when I used to be able to stay up for hours on end. Those are the good days. No, he's not tired yet. Tell him to give me back my energy. That was mine. Clearly, he took it from me. Oh, no! No! How did I hit that? I don't even remember hitting it. No, I remember hitting it technically, but how could I forget? I'm still in it. But, oh, I don't think I was gonna hit it. It's fine. This is not cool. Alright, we're gonna take some guesses. How long do you think, what time do you think it'll actually take in real time to get to the destination? Who's got a guess on this? Do I have to give way if there's no one coming? Except for that truck? And those cars? Oh, is he turning? No. Yes, he's turning. think so? Let's find out. I don't even know what the equivalent of 6 hours is in this game. Still gotta work on my YouTube as well. Still haven't linked it to my Twitter, what is it? Twitch. I've been busy with random other things. Went and picked up some stuff. I'm trying to get it all figured out though. Really new to it though. There's a lot of random stuff to know. My character's probably getting tired. I think I have more frustration from the programs not wanting to cooperate than anything else, really. Most of the time, OBS is pretty cool about working, but it seems like other programs are not as nice and caring about me. Southampton. We are going to Southampton, apparently. I wonder if the A20 is actually like a road. I only ever heard of like interstate road. No, interstate. Interstate 60. I don't even know anymore. I've traveled enough. And that bus, there was no one driving that bus. I saw it with my own eyes. That's disturbing, actually. Little cars, you can never really see into them. And like, you see that bus, and you can clearly see that no one is driving. Oh, there's somebody in that car. Did you just ram me off the road? You did, didn't you? That's what I get for paying attention to you. Totally legit, totally legit, totally I don't even care about that person. That person was mean. Just wanted to see if there was a person in the vehicle and they ran me off the road. Or my road ended. I don't know. Never happened. I know you're tired. Oh no, I can hear you going. Tired. Wait a minute. Well, if this is the one I'm supposed to go in, why can't I go in it? Or is it the next one that means trucks in? I am so confused. Anyways, there's the thingy, so I'm just gonna go towards that. And apparently, go right over it. In bulk. Wait a minute. Last time it made me do this whole go around in circles. Can I like detour my way around this?